Hi everyone, we're going to make this flower basket using these two empty cups. So put both of them together. Now with the help of double-sided tape, we are going to cover it using jute rope. We are also using these hot glue gun. We are also braiding two ropes for the top of the cup and cover it like we are doing here. Now cut the ropes. Then we are going to make the handle by combining two green sticks together. Bend it and your handle is ready. Paste flowers and it's done. We are going to make this flower pot. So cut these dry twigs from the garden. We are going to paste all of them around this empty bottle. Using hot glue gun, paste all of them like this. If you don't have these twigs, you can also make this flower pot using ice cream sticks. So make a hole at the base of the flower pot and look, it is ready. We are going to make this beautiful flower pot using this empty jar. So draw lines on it. We are giving it a shape of swan. So we are drawing the feathers of the swan first. After this, we are going to cut the lines using a cutter. So take a cutter and start cutting it according to the lines like we are doing here. Flip it and again start cutting it. After this, we are going to cut more shapes and we are going to make it curvy. Now we are also pasting these flowers on the top of it. Make holes at the bottom and your flower pot is ready. Let's make this beautiful bow using jute rope. So we are going to roll this around fingers and tie a knot at the center. After this, remove your fingers. You will get 4 loops like this. Now we are going to adjust the loop like we are doing here. Now make 4 small pieces and we are going to paste balls at the end using hot glue gun, and look, your bow is ready. We are going to use these empty bottles and create a beautiful flower pot. So combine both the bottles together. Now we are going to cover it using jute rope, paste a bow at the center, and it's done. Let's make this beautiful green flower. So cut the top portion of the bottle and make multiple cuts on it. We are going to give it shape using fire and roll it around this green stick, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. We are going to make these beautiful flowers. So cut this blue plastic bottle, cut the shape of the petal using fire. We are going to give it shape. Same way we are going to roll a stick and your mini flower is ready. Now paste all the petals around it, and look, you can make more such petals and put it in a vase. We are going to make this flower pot. So cut this empty bottle, make 4 holes and paste the base of the cup. Now we are going to roll this jute rope around the cup, paste it using hot glue gun. Now we are going to twist 2 ropes together. It will give a bold, beautiful shape to the cup. Now we are going to make the handle, twist it and paste it like this. Put flowers inside and it's ready. We all have these type of empty containers at home, so let's use today. We are going to make a flower pot using this. Cover it using jute rope and paste it using double-sided tape. We are braiding 2 ropes together to give it more decoration. Paste a bow and put a plant inside it, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.